So here is just an attempt for a worksheet. If you would find it beneficial for you to print it off, feel free to do so. It's just to recollect your information and what you learned about the characters in Act 3. So there's a little bit of a worksheet right here. Now, when I click on that, this is what opens up in my computer. For so many reasons, I don't know if that's what's going to work for you. However, I'm going to show you through my ancient computer what pops up, and this might be the case in a Google Chromebook. It might be very different in a Mac. I'm not sure. So I'm operating in Chrome so that all of the Google things actually work. So let me know if this is not what pops up. This is an activity that you can simply work on if you just wanted to go through each one and identify who it is. If you can't actually fill it in or do anything like that, just go through and test your knowledge on your character knowledge of what happened in Act 3. So we have a character map, and these are spots that all of the characters are involved in. So just as an example, I'm going to work on this one. This is the person who hopes the ghost will talk to him, and the only person he really trusts. All the arrows seem to mainly be going to this one. Works as one of the family security guards, brings him to the ghost. I'm thinking this is Hamlet. So I want to write Hamlet in this one, and I think the only person he trusts is Horatio. So I'm going to click on this typewriter button up here, and I'm going to click here, and I'm going to move that so that I'm able to write in that text box. You can actually make it so it's the same size so you can't overwrite it. And it disappeared. I'm just going to do this. You can adjust the size of the text here, but I'm going to write Horatio here, and I'm going to do the same down here where I believe this is Hamlet. Now, if I wanted to delete these because I was incorrect, then I can actually type in the typewriter or delete the typewriter right there, or I can leave it there. So if you're, and then you just, as you keep going, you just click on and enter in all of those names. So I encourage you to try out this worksheet. So if I was looking over here, advises her to marry a fool. So this is a female character. Warns to watch out for Hamlet, warns to watch out for French ladies. I'm going to think this is probably the female interest in Hamlet's life, and this is her brother. So going through, seeing if you can figure out which character is which, and then I'll post the answer guide a little bit later on. Let me know how you do.